These are 5 distinct methods to promote your affiliate links at absolutely no cost, allowing you to generate online income even without an existing audience. The first method involves leveraging free traffic through Google. You simply navigate through Google and search for various businesses worldwide. To expand, Lead Sniper emerges as a powerful tool, streamlining the process of lead generation by providing access to hundreds of leads in mere seconds. Here's a breakdown of the method. Start by searching for various businesses such as barbershops, gyms, or coffee shops in any city worldwide, like Dubai, for instance. This search yields a comprehensive list of relevant establishments. With this list at hand, you can proceed to engage with these businesses using an email template tailored to your outreach strategy. Lead Sniper's free trial option enables you to seamlessly gather the necessary contact information, ensuring a smooth and efficient lead acquisition process. By leveraging Lead Sniper's capabilities, you can maximize your outreach efforts, connecting with potential leads and expanding your network of prospects with ease. When utilizing this tool, the process is quite straightforward. You'll begin by opening the installation file, which will resemble something like this. Next, navigate to the Extensions section and click on Manage Extensions. From there, select the Developer Mode option. Once in Developer Mode, simply drag and drop the file into the Extensions tab. If this method doesn't work, ensure that you've unzipped the file. To do so, extract it to your desktop. Once unzipped, return to your Extensions tab where you'll find the Lead Sniper extension. With the Lead Sniper Google extension installed, you can proceed to search for businesses such as barbershops in Dubai. After opening relevant pages, activate the Chrome extension, Lead Sniper. Enter the keyword you're targeting, such as barbershops in Dubai, and initiate the scraping process. Even if you haven't created an account yet, you can still begin by clicking here. The tool will then scrape through Dubai, gathering email leads from all barbershops, providing you with valuable leads. The tool essentially provides a comprehensive list of contacts within the selected area. Let's say we've gathered 20 leads. I can export this as a CSV file, download it, and open it in a word processor like WordPad to access all the emails and contact details. From there, I can begin targeting these individuals. For example, I might craft an email acknowledging the specific problem they're addressing, whether it's haircuts for barbers or coffee for a cafe. Adding a personalized touch may require extra effort, but it significantly boosts effectiveness. I'd then inform them about a potential solution through a short video I've created. It's important to note that I only produce the video upon receiving replies, as not everyone will respond to the initial email. However, even if just 10 people reply, they represent highly targeted leads. Now, with those who have responded, you can craft short videos tailored to their interests. Utilizing tools like Loom, you can succinctly explain the benefits of the affiliate offer you're promoting. Second free method of free traffic is through YouTube. Faceless YouTube automation, in particular, has proven to be a lucrative method for promoting affiliate links. Consider the vast reach of YouTube. For instance, if you search for tutorials or various tools, you'll encounter a plethora of content creators vying for attention. Take, for example, a tutorial video with 48 million views, specifically targeting Wix users or those interested in Wix services. Such videos serve as prime opportunities to promote affiliate links. By tapping into these niches and providing valuable content, you can attract engaged viewers who are more likely to click on your affiliate links. This strategy not only drives traffic, but also offers the potential for significant earnings as viewers engage with the content and act upon the promoted offers. That's a substantial amount of free traffic, and if you're approved into YouTube's partner program, you can generate income from the views you receive. Moving on to free traffic source number 3, we have img.com. This platform, similar to Similar, registers an impressive 129 million monthly visits. img.com, also known as IMU, provides users with the opportunity to share a wide array of content, from amusing memes to captivating reels, images, and video snippets. The process is simple. Users can navigate to the New Post section, upload a screenshot or thumbnail, and craft a post directly promoting their YouTube video or affiliate link. Personally, I've employed this method with success, sharing my own content and witnessing positive results. Leveraging platforms like img.com offers a straightforward yet effective means of driving traffic to your content or affiliate offers, tapping into a vast audience base and potentially yielding significant results. Another effective strategy for promoting affiliate links at no cost is through Instagram theme pages. Instagram theme pages provide a strategic avenue for promoting affiliate links, leveraging their focused audience and expansive reach. These pages cater to specific interests or niches, cultivating a following of users already inclined towards related content. By collaborating with theme pages aligned with your affiliate offerings, you tap into a pre-qualified audience primed for engagement. The targeted nature of these audiences enhances the effectiveness of your promotions, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Furthermore, theme pages often boast larger and more engaged followings than individual accounts, amplifying the visibility of your affiliate links across the platform. This heightened exposure maximizes your potential reach and drives traffic to your affiliate products or services, ultimately bolstering your affiliate marketing efforts and boosting your revenue streams. In essence, Instagram theme pages serve as invaluable allies in your quest to effectively promote affiliate links and achieve marketing success. Free traffic source number 5, TikTok. To effectively promote an affiliate link on TikTok, it's essential to craft engaging and relevant content that resonates with your audience. Utilize a combination of catchy music, visually appealing graphics, and concise captions to grab and hold viewers' attention from the start. Share your personal experiences or create tutorials related to the product or service you're promoting, focusing on its benefits and unique selling points. By showcasing authentic content, you can establish trust and credibility with your audience, increasing the likelihood of them engaging with your affiliate link. Incorporate a clear call to action, CTA, in your caption, prompting viewers to take action such as link in bio or swipe up to learn more. This directs them to your affiliate link, making it easily accessible for those interested in making a purchase. Additionally, take advantage of TikTok's shopping feature by adding a shopping cart icon to your video, allowing viewers to seamlessly shop for the promoted product or service without leaving the app. To further expand your reach and drive traffic to your affiliate link, consider collaborating with other creators in your niche or participating in trending challenges. These strategies can help increase your visibility on the platform and attract new audiences who may be interested in your promoted content. By implementing these tactics effectively, you can maximize the impact of your affiliate marketing efforts on TikTok and generate meaningful engagement with your audience, allowing you to generate online income even without an existing audience. Thanks for watching. We hope you found these tips valuable for boosting your affiliate marketing efforts in 2024. For more insights and strategies on affiliate marketing and digital entrepreneurship, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more valuable content to help you succeed in the world of affiliate marketing. See you in the next video.